Now, the northern lights might be visible in some parts of the UK again tonight. That's after a stunning array of colours lit up the sky for many of us last night. One of the strongest geomagnetic storms for years meant they could be seen across swathes of the country, as our science correspondent Palab Ghosh now reports.
Technicolor skies not seen in parts of the UK for more than 20 years. This the scene in Jersey, as a spectacular solar show was sent from the sun. The display is usually more visible in northern parts of Britain, but such is the power of the sun's current activity, it was seen in the south, even as far as Padstow in Cornwall. A more familiar sight further north in Crosby Beach in Liverpool, people gathered to watch. This was a Forth Bridge in Scotland. And in Newry in Northern Ireland, this was the scene. The colours are caused by solar storms on the surface of the sun.
The story started 93 million miles away and 2 days ago. And what happened was the magnetic fields on the sun rearranged themselves, releasing a lot of energy and ejecting billions of tons of charged particles out from the sun.
This is an actual video of the sun taken by a NASA spacecraft. When it's active, it emits really large clouds of particles called coronal mass ejections, like this one. When they reach the Earth, the particles energise the gases in the atmosphere, making them glow different colours. Oxygen glows green, while nitrogen emits purple, blue and pink light. Those in Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far north of England should be able to see the display again tonight. Palab Ghosh, BBC News.
And finally, the northern lights were visible across most of the UK last night, much further south than normal. Following one of the largest solar storms in decades, the aurora could even be seen on the south coast and on the continent. If you missed them, don't worry. They're expected to be back again tonight. Here's Alex Isat.
Across the country, the night sky was alive with colour. Spectacular shades of green and purple were captured nationwide, including in Gateshead, Berkshire, Belfast and Surrey. And across the Northern Hemisphere, Germany and the US were also treated to a show. The Aurora Borealis, or northern lights, are the effects of a geomagnetic storm, with colours appearing when electrically charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere. It's rare for the phenomenon to be seen so far below the naturally occurring aurora belt. The last time was over 20 years ago. And it's not over yet. The light show will return tonight from around 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. It may not reach the same levels as last night, and how clear it will be will depend on location and light pollution, with those in the north more likely to get a second viewing. But it may be worth staying up and getting the phone ready just in case. Alex Isat, ITV News.